Welcome to Land's Eye View. The vision for this channel is to inspire viewers to step out and embrace the beauty of nature, fostering a deep connection with nature that empowers them to safeguard and conserve our planet. Together, let's address the challenges of climate change and global warming by taking better care of our environment. Join me now.
Okay.
Every step up the hill aches in my bones, yet the graceful descent unveils the delicate balance between struggle and joy. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.